with Agile principles. Have a Google Images will show you how that all works. But what I realised in this process is that ADDIE is a tried and tested, it's a framework, but Agile principles provide a process for its application, and it just makes the process a whole lot more efficient in terms of iterating and releasing learning in increments rather than as an overall project. So within the ADDIE framework...
Yeah. Actually, can I just check with you? Just to check with you, just in terms of the the adoption of Agile, was that because Agile was being adopted by being a software company by your company, and therefore it had more? I guess it was easier for you maybe to get the training and then apply that to what you're doing. Was that the case?
I think it's got more to do with the pace than with Agile, if that makes sense. So if things are moving very quickly, Agile principles adopted into learning design makes sense to be able to pivot as needed rather than spending too much time dedicated to one project only to find at the end that the world has changed and that you've got to go back and rework a lot of things.
Okay, no, that's
make sense?
Yeah, it does. So would it be that being a software company where things move very quickly in the software world, Agile may not be that much required in organizations which are a little bit more traditional and where the pace is a little bit slower? Do you think, or because what you're saying is that because there was just so much work to do in so little time, ADDIE wouldn't have worked, and therefore you looked at Agile. If you did have time, and if you did have, would you have looked at Agile at all, or?
Absolutely. If I was back in my role at my previous organisation, I could absolutely see the value of adopting Agile principles to deliver